What's up YouTube? It's another unboxing. Today we're in a different environment and we have a different company. Today we have the well-known Flatface fingerboards. I ordered a G15 deck and I'm about to see what I got. You feel me? I asked for a special color, but I don't know if I got it or not, so we'll just see. What is this? This is actually a cool sticker. I might actually use this. Yeah, this is nice. Rick and Morty. I'm not a huge fan, but you know, I know y'all are. And then here's this one. Damn, what's an unboxing? 40 bucks on the dime. It's a fingerboard deck. Yeah, it was expensive too. Alright, the review. I waited like a week for this too. That sucks. Oh, final.
I don't think I want to connect with that person. I don't even think I want that energy to manifest and come and jump on my energy. That's just my opinion. Now let's talk about Latoya and Adam, because both of them posted up a video about their separation, but people were wondering why they still live in the same house, why they're still in each other's videos and laughing as if nothing is happening. And both of them have said that they are moving forward with the divorce and that they're not going to amend their relationship, but people are wondering what's going on. Like the confusion between the two